What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. How many times have you bought PLR and then it just sat around? Well, all that's going to change today because I have an insane bonus for you. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Premium PLR Reports Weight Loss Edition. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as, well, a bad New York knish. You wouldn't think there would be such a thing. By the way, if you're not from New York, it's a New York thing. Knishes are basically like a kind of a savory puff pastry filled with mashed potatoes. Anyway, whatever. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, this is ridiculous. Okay, look, I'm even wearing red. I'm kind of like Santa now because I'm wearing red. Maybe I can grant your Christmas wish and get you a new line. Seriously, you know how annoying that guy is all the time. Yakety with the crap. Seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. See, Liz is sweet. I can't get angry at Liz. You know, she's a fellow New Yorker. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and select all to be notified when we're dropping the videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much if you're on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for the Premium PLR. You can see it's right now going for $13 on Friday morning. So today is what, Tuesday. So Friday morning, this thing will go up to $29. And that's not an idle threat. That's just the way it is. Okay, Kevin does that. All right. Now, first of all, this thing I think is the perfect thing to be selling during the lockdowns that are starting up again. Here in New York, they're starting to lock things down again. A lot of people are still working from home. I obviously work from home because, well, that's my business. But, you know, even if you have a job where you traditionally would go to the office, a lot of people are still working from home. And so a lot of people, they want to figure out how to lose weight, especially working from home. Kevin did not write this himself. He hired professional weight loss people to make this. He spent thousands of dollars to have this put together because he wanted something that was really high quality. I'm going to show you the members here in just a minute, but what I want to tell you about is like this. You see, a lot of people buy these things intending to use them, intending to sell them and make money off of them, and nothing happens. So what I'm going to do is like this. In addition to giving you some bonuses where I'm going to show you how to drive traffic, you'll get like 5 different traffic courses from me, but I just put together a custom video where I'm going to show you how to rebrand PLR using free tools, okay, completely free tools, and I'm also going to show you step-by-step how to get a free website, completely free. You won't spend money for it. How to get a free domain name. Yes, it's not going to be, you know, weightloss.wordpress.com, which is probably taken anyhow, to be perfectly honest. Okay, you're going to get your own personal domain name. I'm going to show you how to get it completely for free. I'm going to show you how to get completely free hosting, and how to rebrand all the PLR. And get this, I am also going to show you step-by-step how to list your product on ClickBank, okay? Once you've listed on ClickBank, you can go ahead and message people on ClickBank saying, hey, I've got this cool product. I would love to have you as my affiliate. All right, so that builds in your opportunity to be able to start making money off of this PLR. That is going to be super cool. Nobody's going to give that to you. I'm going to give it to you with this product as my bonus. It's a really, really awesome bonus that nobody else has got. So let me just show you the members area real quick. There's really not much to see here, to be perfectly honest. Okay, you can see here that it's basically I have access to everything, but here this is the one you're purchasing, which is the premium PLR weight loss edition, and it's basically just a download. There's not much to see here, but you do get all of the graphics and stuff. I'm going to show you how to rebrand the graphics, how to rebrand everything, all using completely free tools. I'm going to show you again how to get a free hosting and how to get a free domain name completely for free. You won't spend any money on any of this stuff. You get it all for free. It's all going to be in my custom bonus. So let's see if I am going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
That was obvious, right? I mean, seriously, you know, like Kevin always makes amazing stuff. And I think that if you pick this up with my custom bonus, then this is like a no-brainer, basically, you know, because you are going to make money off of this. The only way you don't make money off of this is if you don't bother doing anything with it. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. You don't have to invest anything else. You don't have to spend extra money to buy a domain name or anything like that. So this really is a no-brainer. Go ahead and grab this one. This one you're going to love.